This is going to be the unboxing of the Cowin, however you pronounce that, E7. There we go. It's got the thank you note. Looks like the owner's guide. Instructions for connection. This might be important. Tell you how to connect everything. Warranty card. And notice the maximum charging voltage is 5 volts. Inappropriate charging may cause severe damage, fire, or electrocution hazard. Don't do it. Comes with what looks like a bag to put your headphones in. Ooh, neat. Feels like some soft padding. Also comes with the 5-volt USB charger and the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Pretty neat. What's up, guys? So I must have used those headphones for about a week, but I didn't really like them. Aesthetically, they were very okay, and the sound was really okay as well. I mean, they sounded good, don't get me wrong. The noise canceling was very okay as well. But the worst part was that when I would take them to the gym, and I bought them almost exclusively to take to the gym, they just wouldn't work. It was a lot of congestion, right? At least in the Bluetooth airwaves. So you guys should probably look this up on Google or maybe YouTube, but you can check out Bluetooth congestion. Essentially, the FCC crowded that specific frequency or something like that. Again, I'm not an expert on wireless transmission, so y'all can do your own research, look it up. But essentially, the airwaves crowded with that specific frequency when there's too many people, and everybody at the gym is using their Bluetooth. They got their wireless headphones in, and they're all listening to their music as well. It gets too crowded, and yours starts cutting off, mine starts cutting off. I know these definitely started cutting off. Apparently the Bluetooth transmitters inside are just not strong enough to carry the signal, and your body also plays a part in blocking the signal. The weights do too, the layout of the gym, right? So there was a lot going on there, and those headphones just they just couldn't cut it. I mean, they weren't for me, so I had to return them. So I mean, I don't want to speak really bad about them, but also don't have a lot of good to say.